Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I'm sharing 4 of the cutest St. Patrick's Day crafts. They're easy to make, most of the supplies come from the dollar store, and all ages will have fun making them. The first craft uses 3 of the tumbling tower blocks from Dollarama. I used hot glue to attach 2 together. Then I added a third one to the bottom. For a more permanent hold, you could use wood glue, but I like how quick hot glue is. Next, I grabbed some dollar store craft paint and painted my blocks green. Once the paint was dry, I added a strip of black vinyl. Alternatively, you could use black electrical tape. To finish it off, I added a gold vinyl decal and orange shamrock that I made using my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you could use duct tape or buttons. Seriously, how cute is this little leprechaun hat? It would look adorable sitting on a shelf or on a tiered tray. For the next craft, I use one of these wooden rounds that I picked up at my local Dollarama. You get 50 for $4, so they're super inexpensive. Then I made decals using my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you can use alphabet stickers, a Sharpie, or paint. I applied the decals to the wooden round, added a bit of twine, and finished with some wooden beads. Cute, right? Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this one? Next up is a simple but fun idea, a DIY edible rainbow necklace. Simply string Fruit Loops onto a piece of yarn. I used a plastic needle to make it a little bit easier, but if you don't have a plastic needle, you could put some tape around the end of the yarn. It's cute like this, but if you want to add a little bit of extra St. Patrick's Day flair, you could add a chocolate coin pendant. The last craft I'm sharing today is a cute leprechaun hat. Start by cutting a 1 centimeter slice from a paper towel roll and a bunch of 30 centimeter strands of green yarn. Then fold a piece of the yarn in half and insert it into the paper towel roll ring. Next, insert the ends through the loop and pull it tight. Repeat this process until the entire paper towel roll is covered with the yarn. Then push the strands of yarn through the paper towel ring to create the brim of a hat. Next, tie the strands together with a piece of yarn and tie the end together to make a hanger. Add a bit of fill to the inside of the hat to help it keep its shape, and grab some sharp scissors and trim the top of the hat to make a pom-pom. Embellish with a little shamrock cut from a piece of felt or a sticker, and you're done. Pretty cute, right? I hope you like all these St. Patrick's Day crafts as much as I do. I'd love for you to give this video a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye!